Hi guys, it's Kay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, nasa Cebu City tayo for a follow-up check-up with Lara Zabal Eye and of course to have a quick kind of relaxation. So, hindi na ako magpapatagal sa aking intro. Ngayon lang ako naka-intro because ang busy kanina sa airport, but I look forward that you're going to finish and watch this vlog. So if you're here and you want to know more about this tour, keep on watching. months since my eye surgery or my Smile Pro surgery, which cost me na hindi na mag-eyeglasses. So, 3 months after, actually exactly 3 months yung surgery and assessment time ko last August. Ngayon, I'm back for my follow-up checkup. And we are checked in at Pillows Hotel. Napakalapit lang. It's like 300 meters away from the Cebu Doc Hospital. So, yun. Ngayon, it's already 1 plus p.m. We just checked in. Buti na lang pwede ang early check-in. And then, we'll just freshen up. Tapos, lalakad na din kami ulit. Pupunta kami sa J Mall. Yun yung bagong mall. So, sana makover ko lahat anong mangyayari. Kasi manonood kami ng Moana. Director's Club yung cinema niya. So, exciting. Kasi new experience. Wala yun sa Zamboanga. So, yun yung itinerary for today. And tomorrow, that's Thursday, 28, we will be going na din dun sa Cebu Doc for, yun nga, my scheduled follow-up check-up. So, 3 months itong nakaschedule na. Kaya hindi talaga pwedeng i-touch ang other days. So, yun lang naman yung ganap today. Very light kind of tour and visit sa Cebu. Napaka-special ng Cebu. Ang daming magagandang nangyari dito. So, yun. With me, by the way, is my brother. Hindi ako solo. So, maganda din ang room ngayon with couch. Tapos, bago siya. Renovated. So, if you're thinking about traveling here, I would suggest Pillows Hotel. Okay naman ang price with free breakfast, wifi, lahat-lahat na siya. So, hi vlog! Pupunta na tayo ngayon sa J Mall. We are freshened up and we're done. We're waiting for the Grab. But first, bababa muna tayo sa elevator. Hindi siya ma-open. Si Ping na lang. Kami tubig. Free water. Let's go! So, 4:30 ang nabook naming Moana Director's Club Cut yung cinema. So, we're excited for the experience. Okay, we're here. Bye, Up.
Same sa atin ay
Parang maliit-liit ang ceiling lahat. Cute!
Japanese mo.
Cute siya. Maliit ang mga ceiling ng so small. Hindi, may sabi yung video lang. nakuha na namin ang ticket namin. Sa Zamboanga pa ako nag-book. And Directors Club nga siya. So later I'll be taking a video. So ito yung cinema nila. Just for the looks. Wow! Wow! Yay! Ano man? How much?
May kape na ba?
Oo, ako din. Hi guys! Nandito na tayo sa Directors Club, SMJ Mall Cinema. So, my back. Cinema 1 tayo. So, we have our snacks. It's part of the payment. So, let's see. vlog. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina. It's already almost 11 p.m. na. 9:30 na kami nakabalik ng hotel after J-Mall. It was such a fun experience. I think nakita nyo naman paano yung cinema and whatnot. So, I had fun. Ang ganda ng mall and basta, I'm really just happy. You know, it's a bonding time and all. So, wala pa yung skincare. Sobrang ano naman ng aking skin glowing dito sa Cebu. Ibang level talaga ng glow ang meron tayo. So that's the bed. Hindi siya pinaghiwalay. Akala siguro couple kami. And my sofa bed. Gusto ko yung ganitong type. Maghahanap ako. If you know or have an idea saan yan nabibili, you better tell me. So, I'm preparing tea. Pinakuha ko lang si Ping ng mainit na tubig. So, dito na Ping. So, avocado. Pati ang medyas ko. Avocado. So, yan siya. Bakit ka man? Amoy lola. And of course, meron ako nito. Binili ko. It's not roll-on, but it's efficacent boost pain relief. So, lalagay ko yun sa katawan ko lahat. Masakit na yung ulo ni Ping. This is just a very quick chika, but I'll be preparing my tea. So, there are 25 bags for 330 pesos. Pwede na for the brand. Let's have this one. Lemon ginger flavor. Pag uwi ko, sabi ko kay Ping, I'll be buying some for my friends. Lalo na si Bestie Jane ko. Si Ma'am Jane, favorite niya yung mga tea. So, hindi pa ako nakapag-birthday gift sa kanya. And dami ko ng chika, 2 minutes na to. So, ayun, that's it. I'll be ending this part of the vlog while I enjoy my tea.